Okay, this is Andrew from Beijing Anchorfree. Let me introduce our fractional CO2 fractional laser system to you. You see, this machine consists of different parts. This is the host machine. It's made of the injection mold. This is the tablet. You can use your finger to touch the screen, or there is a pen. You can use the pen to touch it, to operate this machine. Okay. Another part is this part. This is arm tube with the applicator. There are different tips. You can change them here. Totally, there are 4 tips. 3 tips used for scanning fractional treatment. Another treatment used for ablation. You see? There are different tips here. Like this for small area, this for middle area, this is for big area, and this for ablation. For ablation, you need to screw out this area and connect it. Okay. You see, there is a very clever function for this machine. You see, there is one plastic pipe. Why we devise this machine like this? Because normal machine, they use a blowaway. They blow out this kind of smelled air when do the treatment. But even do this, the home clinic will be full of this kind of smelled air. It's not good. For us, we have this kind of device. This device can suck this kind of smell air into the machine, and this kind of smell air can be processed by the processing device inside. After that, the air will come out clearly. This is very good for the health of the operator. Okay. There are other small areas, like this is the emergency button. This is the switch, power switch. This is for the used for the medical use, the foot switch. When you do the treatment, you need to touch here, then you can do the treatment. Okay, normally this is the basic components of this machine. Later I will introduce you how to operate the machine after we turn on the machine. Okay, that's all. Okay, now let's turn on the machine and tell you how to operate this machine. First, you need to turn on the power of the host machine by the key switch. Then you can see an orange light here, and you can press the button, the power button of the tablet, and hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. Then you can turn on the tablet. You see, now the tablet is working. The host machine and the tablet are working together now. Now the system is running. Now we are coming into the loading display. In the loading display, you need to wait for around 20 to 30 seconds because the laser mode is doing a self-checking. After that, you can use the machine. Please let us wait for a moment. Okay, here, this is the password area. Normally you can just select OK. Then you can enter into a main menu display. light, middle, deep, fusion, surgical. Light means light layer treatment, middle layer treatment, deep layer treatment. Fusion means the completion of deep and middle layers together. Surgical, it means the ablation treatment. Now let's just select any one of them. For example, we select middle layer. Okay, we can see a warning message to give you a warning to where the Google. We select OK. Now we come into the main treatment display. In display, you can do different settings. For example, you can change to light layer, middle layer, deep layer, fusion layer. In different layer, when you choose different layers, you can see the pattern here will be changed. For example, if I choose middle layer, only the middle layer. If I choose deep layer, okay, this is the deep layer, deep. Fusion, okay, it means the middle layer and the deep layer together. Another area, you see, this is for the patterns. You can select different patterns. This is the round, the angle, the square, different patterns. Another very interesting function for our machine is this area. This is a DIY function. Why we develop this machine with this function? Because when we treat some area we don't want to treat it because this area is good area. We can just draw a picture according to the target of the treatment area. For example, this area. If we only want to treat this area, we draw a picture according to the target like this. When we press OK, okay. So this is just a DIY treatment. Later I can show you the pattern of this DIY. Okay. Okay. Another treatment, another setting area is this area. This is pattern size from 1 to 6. You can control here to control different size, to set to different size for the patterns. This is the percentage. It means the density of the scanning pixels from percent 5% to 100%. Okay, different density. Okay, the zoom area only used for the DIY function. Okay, if you choose this pattern, this is kind of default patterns. You only can use these two areas, these two settings. Okay, for the DIY you can use zoom in and zoom out. Change the size of the pattern. Another area is this area. This is the render area. Okay, render area. You can when you turn on the render function, where you can scan in. How to say? The dot when the dot on the skin with is out of order. It's not in order. It's out of order. Another is the repetition. Repetition is just the if you want to make the treatment continuously, you can turn on. Then you can make the treatment continuously. Okay. Another is this area. You can select the delay of each treatment. I mean, for example, if I scan one, then I press the I don't lose the put switch. Then if I wait like 1 second, then it will 1 millisecond it will scan the second time. Okay. This is area for the suction. You can turn off or turn on the suction, the smell suction function. Another treatment setting area is this area. This is used to adjust the energy of the light, middle layers, and the deep layers. For example, if I select the fusion function, you can see this for middle layer, this is for deep layer. Okay. Now I can adjust the energy of the middle layer and the deep layer separately. How can I do like this? You can just change here, rain, make it higher, make the energy higher. Okay, so you can make this area, the middle layer, the energy higher. Okay, when you change here, increase energy here, you can increase the energy of the deep layer of when you do the treatment. Okay. Now let me show you. Let me show you how to. Let's give a square pattern and make the pattern size like 45. Okay, and I choose the fusion. Okay, energy like this. Okay, okay. I press the ready button. Okay. You see, this is a square, but the tip is not very suitable for this pattern. So I make it smaller. I make the size smaller. Okay. Now I need to turn off. Then make it smaller, like a 3 or 2. Like 2 is better. Okay, I choose ready. Okay, now it's more suitable. Now I press the photo switch. Okay, now we just scanning 3 times because I use the repetition mode. If I turn off the repetition, let's just turn on. Then let's turn firstly. Okay, turn on. Let's try it again. Okay, now we just do 1 time. You see, this is the pattern. Now I change it to another pattern, like the road. Okay, road, and make the size maybe 3. Okay. Ready? Okay, finish. Now let's show you the random model. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, it's out of order, right? Okay, last I show you the DIY. If I draw a picture, this picture, press OK. Zoom 1 is the biggest size. Make it smaller. 3. Okay, let me show you. I choose the middle. I turn off the random. Let's show you. Just turn off the ready. You see, you can see the size. You see the size. This size is too big. It's too big. I make it smaller. Now it's more suitable. Again, I can change the position like this way. Okay, that's like a pattern for you. Okay, second time. Okay, this is the pattern, but this pattern is not very. Let's say the size is not the pattern. I need to make the pattern more high. Let's do it the second time. Yeah. When the percentage, the density is more higher, the pattern it gives it will be more accurate. Do you understand? It's like that. Okay, this is a DIY function. Another function here. Then we go to the surgical. Okay, give you a warning. In surgical area, you need to change the applicator into the surgical applicator, the small one here, change it here. Then you need to change the energy here, like this here. Yeah, the treatment. No, okay. We don't introduce this treatment. Okay. Normally, the basic function of this machine is like this. If you have any question, you can contact us. We hopefully we give you a very good answer and good introduction for this machine. Thank you. Okay, the introduction is finished. Let's show you how to turn off the machine. You need to turn off the tablet firstly. You can press the hold for wire. Okay, then you press the star, turn off the tablet. After that, you turn off the host machine. Okay, then finished. That's all. Yeah. If you have any question, you can contact our company and our staff. We hope that we can give you a very clear answer and a very specific introduction for your machine. Thank you.